Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 1. My name is Raihana and I'll be presenting along with Amila. So, introduction of the article. The article is Mastering the Digital Transformation to Organizational Capability, a Conceptual Framework by Jens et al., published in 2021. So, firstly, the summary of the article. So, this article is a systematic literature review that analyzes digital mastery in companies using a process oriented approach. It discussed the results based on 2,992 articles from Web of Science and EBSCOhost databases. So, the author chose WOS because of its popularity and EBSCOhost for its large sample size availability, which ensure comprehensive coverage for their research. So the article highlights the vital role of organizational capabilities in successful digital transformation, which emphasize on the agility, digital leadership, building capabilities, customer centricity, and collaboration, which helps organizations to thrive in an increasingly digital world. So in order to stay ahead amid the digital disruption, organization must develop and leverage these capabilities effectively. So the third point is the article presents a conceptual framework of organizational capability for digital transformation, which focuses on seven themes. These are strategy and ecosystem, innovation thinking, transformation technologies, data operation, organizational design, and digital transformation leadership, which it integrates the dynamic capabilities theory to differentiate phases of digital transformation and emphasize the involving nature of the organizational capability throughout the process. So the article also offers a broad perspective on digital transformation, emphasizing the need to consider human, social, and cultural factors alongside technology. Which for the which the theme number 7 highlights the importance of managerial mindset shift towards innovation, while theme number 3 reflects a conventional focus solely on adopting new technology. Lastly, the study advanced knowledge of organizational capacity in dynamic context, and this offers managers and other decision makers useful advice on how to identify and cultivate the skills required for a successful digital transformation transition. Next will be the key learnings of the paper. So the study highlights the significance of a conceptual framework that is a process oriented and divides the digital transformation process into three phases using the dynamic capabilities theory. At every stage of the transformation process, this method takes into account the sequential nature of strategy change and the changing needs for organizational skills. The articles also provide crucial insights for businesses to thrive in the digital era by emphasizing strong leadership, aligning sensing, seizing, and transforming capabilities, and developing foundational and dynamic capabilities. And these frameworks aids business to navigate their digital transformation and fostering growth and innovation. Next is digital capabilities and digital leadership, which both are critical in achieving digital mastery. And both are deeply linked to the holistic development of organizational capability as organization endeavors in to match with the changing digital and social technological landscape. And lastly, the lecture introduced two terms which are digital capabilities and leadership capabilities. However, in this article, it introduced a new term, which is the dynamic capabilities, which combine both concepts. Well, dynamic capabilities encompass three mechanisms, which is first sensing, which identify technological opportunity; seizing, which is the mobilizing resource to capture value; and transforming, consistently renewing, adapting to technologies. Next is from the article, a key takeaway is the importance of developing a structured capability development roadmap aligned with the organization's vision. This roadmap help in efficient resource allocation, prioritization of capabilities, and guiding the organization through the complexities of digital transformation. Next, I will pass to Amila.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amila Fika. I'll be continuing the strength of the article. So, first, number one, the article has highlighted the importance of dynamic capability theory, which discusses the sensing, the seizing, and the transformation of digital mastery, as mentioned in the article, in the process of developing organizational capabilities during digital transformation. Therefore, providing valuable insights for companies and organizations that are looking to adapt and thrive amidst technological changes. The second strength of the article mentions the importance of leadership. Effective leadership is critical in establishing the vision, direction, and priorities for digital initiatives. Leaders plays an important role in creating an organizational culture of innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning. The third strength of the article, the author has effectively married theory with practice by providing a robust theoretical foundation upon which action recommendations have been fleshed out for consideration and implementation by leaders and managers at the top level. Number four, this article encourages further research in critical areas in digital capabilities, socio-technical system, and individual level competence, contributing to the ongoing discussions and advancement in the field of digital transformation. The last one, the final strength, by developing a conceptual model that is process oriented, the paper advances theoretical understanding, which means it also offers practical insight by offering advice on how to improve competence in any kind of situation in the organizations itself. Moving on to the limitation of the article, first, the content suggested by the article may not be applicable for all industry specific, such as healthcare industry. The healthcare sector may prioritize data security and patient privacy more, while retail sector may want to focus more on improving customer experience. The second limitation of the article is the limited comprehensiveness of literature review, even though it is being done by systematic methods. Only 22 articles made it to final review, with the oldest being from 1994 and the latest article from 2020. Approximately 2,814 out of the initial 2,992 articles were removed simply based on the title and abstract. Out of the 178 full text articles assessed for eligibility, 6 were removed for unavailability of full text, and 136 were removed for not satisfying the rigorous inclusion criteria. This may raise questions over the true inclusiveness of the article, and some concepts were missed or overlooked in the arbitrary quest or haste for relevance, especially in the field of inquiry as dynamic and varied as digital transformation. The framework, therefore, might need constant revision, revisiting in the light of rapid changes. So the next limitation of the article doesn't go into enough detail about how cultural and human factors affect organizations' effort to go digital. The abilities of the organizations are important for digital change, but the attitudes, behavior, and skill of employees also have a big impact on how well transformation projects works out. The next limitation, similar to the previous limitation mentioned before, the selection criteria used for the study articles may have introduced a bit bias, as several pertinent sources might have been disqualified based on certain standards like language, publication year, or the theme. The study's conclusion and framework might only apply to certain situations and not all kind of businesses or sectors. The conceptual framework might not be as generalizable as it could be. The final limitation of the articles, it is that it might overlook the importance of individual level competence and their connection to organizational capabilities, which are also crucial the successful for a successful digital transformation. In conclusion, the article have mentioned seven key themes of organizational capabilities, which is important for a successful digital transformation. It also highlights the nature of these capabilities and the need for continuous evolution. The article also categorizes the journey into phases: sensing opportunities, seizing opportunities, and transforming operations, each requiring a specific sets of capabilities aligned with the organization's strategic goals and digital maturity levels. So, overall, the conclusion underscores the critical role of organization capabilities in driving successful digital transformation initiatives and encourages organizations to embrace structured capability development practices. Thank you.